Two things. One, being a huge nerd, I naturally read a lot of comics. Now, everyone who's anyone is reading Doomsday Clock, because it finally brings the characters of Alan Moore / Dave Gibbons' Watchmen into the larger DC universe. Two, after seeing sufficiently advanced to it, I built a wearable grappling gun. Now, the bummer about that is the only test footage I have of it is both dark, grainy, and horizontal. I've started working on a new one, which you're seeing the very, very rough prototype of. It will be wearable at some point, kind of like Spider-Man's web shooters, but when I was building the original one during the summer, I thought that it would probably be a lot easier to work out a lot of the kinks in like a gun type format. There's this killer panel in issue 3. Spoilers, kinda, but Rorschach is visibly jealous of how compact and like neat Batman's grappling gun is, and so I thought, why not kill two birds with one stone and help a brother out? Whew, here we go. I stripped a screw because I'm a bad person. Plastic tube is the right size, but a bit too flimsy. This wasn't a joke, this was just something I legitimately struggled with. And ta-dow! That's what we call a kind of finished product. The main difference between this iteration and all the previous ones is that instead of using a momentary switch in a simple circuit with a couple of 9-volt batteries and the solenoid valve, I'm actually using a force-sensitive resistor and a relay to open and close the valve. And here's the code for that. So far, the only grievance with this new design is that it sometimes sorta kinda goes off for no reason, and I'm pretty sure that noise in my data is coming from the fact that I've kind of only attached the sensor to both the Arduino and to the gun itself with tape. Ammunition is a colored pencil because it seems like that's the only thing that will fit in the barrel properly. Test shot in 3, 2. Okay, dope. Holds pressure and fires. This is the end of part 1. This was just like an experiment to make sure that I could actually build an air gun, even though I've done that in the past, so I should know that I can do that. Anyway, part 2 will include essentially building a better gun, more compact gun, also actual hooks so one can do grappling and all that fun stuff.